graph the function y equals 3 sine 4x using key points. First, we want to find the amplitude and the period of this function. So amplitude is absolute A is 3, so absolute value of 3 is also 3, and period is found by 2 pi over omega. Omega means the coefficient of x, which is 4. 2 pi over 4, 2 goes 4 twice, so pi over 2. That means a cycle of this function will be done in pi over 2 units. So now we want to find the key points. For we divide 0 through pi over 2 into 4 equal parts. Okay, the period is 2 pi, so from 0 through 2 pi we want to divide into 4 equal parts. So the midpoint would be, then this is 1/2 pi, 0, so 1/4 pi, so pi over 4. Again, let's find the midpoint of these two. So 1/4, 0. So the midpoint would be then half of this, which is this is same as 2 pi over 8. So the half would be pi over 8. Okay, half of 1/4 is 1/8. Now we need to find the midpoint here as well. So pi over 2, pi over 8. Sorry, pi over 2, pi over 4. This is same as 2 pi over 8. It's like 2 pi over 8. And this is 4 pi over 8. So the midpoint is now 3 pi over 8. Now we need to find the corresponding y coordinates. Okay, if you recall, for regular sine x, y equals sine x. The graph is like this, and the key points are, this is 0, 0, pi over 2 you get 1, this is pi, 0, and this is 3 pi over 2 you get -1, and 2 pi, the corresponding y coordinate is 0. So 0, 1, I'm just talking about the corresponding y coordinates. 0, 1, 0, for here -1 and 0. Now the corresponding y coordinates are 0, 1, 0, this is -1 and 0. For our function, since the amplitude is 3, to find the corresponding y coordinates, we multiply these y coordinates of regular sine function by 3. Multiply by 3, then we find the key points. Okay, so let me go back and write down key points now. Key points, these are the x coordinates, and we multiply these y coordinates by 3 to find the corresponding y coordinates for these points. Okay, so 0, comma, multiply 0 by 3, so we get 0. Pi over 8, multiply by 3, 3. Then pi over 4, 0, because 3 times 0 is 0. 3 pi over 8, multiply by 3, so -3. And finally we have pi over 2, we multiply 0 by 3, so 0. Okay, so let's graph the function here now. Okay, this is a straight line. For 0, 0 is here, so pi over 8 we have to go 3 up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, pi over 4, 0, 3 pi over 8, -3, so -1, -2, -3, and pi over 2, 0. So our graph looks like this, but in this way. Let's try to connect those. Okay, I'm sure you can do better than this, but I'm just giving you idea. Now you can continue this forever on the right as well on the left. Okay, final.